Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to memory plan the month of December in my 7x9 vertical planner. This is the last plan with me you're going to see in this planner. There will be a flip through coming, but yeah, I've got this kit from Plannerface, which I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly 10 to get a discount. It does mean I have a working relationship with her. I have these washies here. These three are from Plannerface. I won't use both of these, but I haven't decided which I want yet. Then this one's from Colourful & Co. This one is also from Plannerface. You can also use Tilly 10 to save it at Colourful & Co. I don't have a working relationship with her. She's just a friend. And then this is just a random one I got. I don't really know where from. Then in terms of stickers, I also have these pulled out here in my Plannerface reusable sticker album, and that's kind of what we're working with. This is the monthly spread. The planner is very chunky, very, very full, so we're just going to pop it like that to make it a bit even. And without any further ado, I'm going to get the base of the spread down. Monthly memory spreads always have really, really quick bases. I never really know what to say over them because there's really not much that I'm putting down. I'm just putting a couple of stickers down, just the top bar and stuff. It's so cool that I've used an entire year of Plannerface kits in my memory spreads though. I'm kind of digging on it, I have to say. But yeah, I love how they have all come together and I think they're really cute. Also, absolutely digging on this Christmassy, but not too like in your face Christmas. I think it's just perfect for a December monthly kit. Okay, so that is the base. Obviously no foil or anything down, but let's have a zoom in and look at the first half of the month / the Monday to Thursday of the month. Okay, so on the first I had a doctor's appointment. This is the period where I was really badly off work sick for ages. And I had to have a doctor's appointment that day to get a sick note, which is the first time in my life I've ever had a sick note, which was interesting. On the Tuesday, we had a camembert, which I just thought I'd mark in, and also we binge watched a metric shit ton of House. Absolutely loads of it. So yeah, I thought I'd mark that in as well, just to be like, yes, we did this. Good. On the 6th, I found out that I passed MRCP Part 1, which was a big, big relief. So that's in there. On the 7th, we were meant to take the guides ice skating, and that ended up being cancelled, which is a bit disappointing, but it had to be there. And also I was finally feeling better from my illness. I'd been ill for absolutely ages at this point. I was just so sick of it. So it was a relief to be better. On the 8th, I went into work for the first time after being sick and got asked to come back for the night shift. So got moved on to nights last minute, like at 11 o'clock on that day. So that was the 8th. Moving on to the 13th, I've got nothing to mark. The 14th, I got really stressed out about my portfolio for work. It was not a good day. I got really stressed out and cried at work about it. It wasn't ideal, but it happened, and I feel a bit better about it now. So yeah. On the 15th, we decided to finally upgrade our Wi-Fi, having been debating about it for absolutely ages, because of business reasons, basically. It felt like it was the necessary step to make my life easier, really, is the long and the short of it. So, I'm going to use a washi strip for one of those, this little flag for the other. I feel like that washi strip is not in straight. Let's try that again. Does that seem too long? Maybe it does, who knows. Anyway, so that's for upgrading the Wi-Fi and for my vaccine. On to the 16th, there was a shit situation at work. I'm not going to go into it because it's probably quite triggering for some people, and I don't want to go there. So yeah, but it was just not a good day at work. 20th, I again have nothing to mark. On the 21st, I managed to misread my rota and not turn up for my night shift until somebody rang me and was like, "Where are you?" They didn't actually say, "Where are you?" They just rang me, and then I was like, "What? Why are you ringing me?" And then I looked at the rota again and discovered I should have been at work. So yeah, that's for feeling overwhelmed, and that's for that situation with work. On the 22nd, I again have nothing to mark. On the 23rd, I had a load of family time and was playing with my nephew. So for that there, and then, oh, sorry, I'm dropping things. For the quality family time together, I'm just going to use one of these washi strips because I've got a quality time together script. That's just perfect for there. And then just time with Felix, I've got there. On to the 27th. I'm going to mark on the 27th and 28th some crappy things that happened at work that I'm not really going to go into, just because I know some people will find them triggering and upsetting, and I don't think that's what people come to my channel for, so we're just going to pop them in and not say much about them, but they're just situations that were occurring at work that were crap. So that's those. The 29th, I got to spend some time with my nephew after he'd been in COVID isolation, but he was out this day because he had 2 negative lateral flows. And then the 30th, my sister was out of COVID isolation, so we had Christmas 2.0, but my nephew was super excitable as well, so I'm going to mark that in as well. So I think we'll put this up at the top actually, and then we're going to use a big box for Christmas 2.0, I think, because Christmas 2.0 is awesome, because Christmas is amazing. So for Christmas 2.0, I just have this sticker here, and then for Felix being really excitable, I've just got that, and that is the Monday to Thursday of the month. Let's turn over and look at the other half. So on the 3rd, I cut my dad's hair. I don't know why I'm marking that in, but I am. Which seems to be the only interesting thing to mark. On the 4th, we had county handover for the handover to the new county commissioner, and also I finished off the open planner orders that I needed to get finished before Christmas, or like on that day. I was like hitting a heavy deadline that day, but yeah. On the 5th, I started feeling really poorly again, having felt much better on the 4th, and also just lay on the sofa for most of the day, feeling sorry for myself, basically. So I'm going to put that up there, and then I'm going to pull in one of these other flags down here for feeling poorly. The 10th was our Discord Christmas party, and we played an awesome drawing game that was absolutely hilarious. I just wanted to mark in as well. So I've got, for the drawing game, I've just got this little pen, and then for this I've got this. On the 11th, I went back to a wedding dress shop, and I also did a live plan with me on YouTube for the following week. So I think for that, yeah, that'll be fine. So for the live plan with me, I've just got this Ezio. It's just going to go in there. I think it's Ezio. I always get Ezio and Fawn the wrong way around though. And then for wedding dress shopping there. The 12th, I was feeling stressed AF about how much there was to do, probably. I haven't written down what I was stressed about, but that's normally what I'm stressed about. So I've just got this sighing munchkin and a stressed out little sticker. On to the 17th, I went to the final dress shop that I'm going to probably, as long as I'm going to one more dress shop. Well, no, I'm going back to one dress shop to try on one dress. As long as I still like it as much as I liked it when I first tried it on, I'm buying that wedding dress. That's it. The 18th, there was a situation I don't want to go into, but it was not ideal. And it was pretty horrible actually. So I just have an F this I'm out sticker for that. And then we also decorated our Christmas tree that day. So I think for that we'll just use a washi strip because the sticker's quite big. But I think that will work fine. So that's for decorating our Christmas tree. The 19th we went to afternoon tea, and I also did a load of Christmas shopping. So for the afternoon tea, I'm going to pop a strip of washi with a afternoon tea little flat lay above it. And then for the Christmas shopping, I'm running out of things to mark in with. I kind of want one of the skinny flags, but there aren't any left. I don't know what to use. I'm going to come back to that. On the 24th, that's when my sister tested positive for COVID, which was obviously crappy situation. I've just realised that there are these little payday flags and stuff, so I'm going to use one of those with a munchkin over to mark in the Christmas shopping. And I also filmed a collab for Sophie of Ryman Plans on Christmas Eve for her Vlogmas. So I'm going to do the same thing with the flag with something over it. This fuck this is for my sister testing positive. The 25th was Christmas Day, obviously, and I've spent a lot of family time that day, which is the other thing I'm going to mark in. If I can fit a flag in as well, that would be good. Oops, sorry, whacked the spring on my microphone stand. Okay, this is going to have to go even higher up than it is now. There we go, that's better. So for Christmas Day, I have another of these dinos, which I can't remember which is which. I'm sorry. I know I should learn. I keep thinking I've got it in my head and then being like, I'm not sure actually. So then that's to mark Christmas Day. And then I've put that flag at the wrong side because the icon wants to be at this side. So let's try that again. Put that there. Beautiful, with a family time script. As you can see, there's a lot less space at this side of the month. The Sunday, the 26th, was Boxing Day, and we played a lot of Ticket to Ride. So I've just got a washi strip to mark in playing Ticket to Ride. That's not what, I'm not here for that. Let's try a red one instead. I think it will look better for Ticket to Ride. And so I just got a little playing cards, a little sticker and a game night. And then on the 31st, which was New Year's Eve, we had a good chunk of family time again because, you know, New Year's Eve. And well, we're staying at my parents' obviously. And also we got fully funded for our wedding, which was super exciting. We realised we could be fully funded in 2021 for our wedding. So that kind of is what it is. And I'm going to switch around how these stickers are and mess up that washi strip. Sadly, twizzle it round. Oh, why am I like this? Why am I like this? So that's for being fully funded for our wedding and New Year's Eve family time. So let's open up and see where we're at. Okay, so that's where we are at with all the plans in. I'm now going to be speeding up. So whilst I'm sped up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a load of washi in. I'm going to pop in some full boxes, things like that. I'm also going to pop in the date covers and write everything in. So there is going to be lots and lots of bits happening while I'm sped up, which is fine. That's kind of how I like to do this. I like a bit of variety in the spread. I like to mix it up. I like it to look pretty and things. And yeah, what I try and do is I try and put in like 2 strips of each type of washi, and then I'll go back through and put in any more that there are space for once I've put the full boxes in. That's just to try and get a good mixture of the washis and make sure the full boxes in and stuff like that before I get too far in with like covering the entire spread in washi. I feel like my spreads look better when I do it like that. I don't know, let me know down below whether you do the same or whether you think it looks better if you put it all in at the same time, or which order you would put them in. I love to chat about things like that down in the comments. It's just something I don't know, I've kind of always done it this way, so it's just how I do it. which I know is a stupid reason to do something in one specific way, but it works for me. So let me know in the comments down below how your December was. Did you have a good December? Did you have a good time? If you celebrated any holidays, did they go how you expected or not? Christmas did not go how we expected at all, with my sister testing positive on Christmas Eve, but we did still get a good chunk of family time in once she was day 6 and 7 lateral flow negative, which was nice. But yeah, our plans were all over the shop, but that's kind of fine. You kind of expect these things in current times, don't you? So yeah, let me know down below how your December was. Somehow, right, the footage of this is only 30 minutes and we are done. I don't really know how that happened, but it was a really quick spread to put together and I'm really pleased with it. My last monthly memory spread in this planner. I do have one more spread to do off camera, but this is the last plan with me you're going to see in this planner. I've got this spread to finish, but that's it. I can't quite believe it. Comment, like down below if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!